I'm on the outside.
Hey YouTube, what's going on? Sauce86 back with another video, and today we'll be opening up some Easter Blitz packs. So, I'm sure you guys remember me saying this in my last Madden Mobile video. I was going to open up 50, and I think I said 3 Easter packs. Well, today I'll be opening up 45 Easter Blitz packs, and only 2 Easter packs. I can't buy another Easter pack because it's not available in the store anymore, because there's all the 2017 drafts for the NFL now. So I'll definitely do a video on all that draft stuff and all the live events and everything. But right now, we'll just open up Easter Blitz packs right now before all the NFL draft stuff. So, like I said, 45 Easter Blitz packs, 2 Easter packs, and we'll just open up this 3 Easter egg reward pack and see if we can somehow actually get a crystal pack. Sorry, crystal egg. I always get caught up on that word. Always end up pronouncing it wrong. So we'll start off with an Easter pack. And see what we get out of here. It's quite a big pack right here. Never knew it was this big. Oh man! I was not ready for that. But we pulled a 93 Elite out of this Easter pack. So I really wish we had another one for this video. But man, that's a good card right there. 91 speed, 94 agility. Those are the two pop out at me. But man, good pull. I don't even know how you say his name, but that's pretty good. So we'll update team and continue. So hopefully the next Easter pack's that good, and maybe actually opening up these gold egg packs, it can do something. Have to do something about the draft, maybe. Not sure, but we'll see. We'll have a bunch of chocolate bunnies, I assume, at the end. Oh, I'm not sure how many gold eggs there were or whatever. But now we'll open up our 45 Easter Blitz packs. So I'm pretty sure there's actually a chance at getting a Crystal Legend player out of this. Out of an Easter Blitz pack. Small chance, but we're opening up 50, so we'll see how we do. So we're getting a bunch of chocolate bunnies, so at the end, we might be able to actually pull another elite player by using the chocolate bunnies to get gold players, put the gold players in for an elite player. So now we have to open up this gold egg. Chocolate bunny, so probably gonna get a bunch of chocolate bunnies, but at the end we'll probably be able to, like I said, put chocolate bunnies in for gold players, the Easter gold players, then put those in for an elite Easter player, which can be 93 to 97 overall. So I'm seeing a bunch of chocolate bunnies. I think you're still able to actually pull Crystal Legend. Not 100% sure, but I'm fine with getting a bunch of chocolate bunnies. Some more chocolate bunnies. In the description or on the screen, I'll probably put a time to skip to skip all this Easter Blitz pack opening, because I think everything is just chocolate bunnies now. I'm not actually 100% sure, but it looks like it. And so yeah, I probably put that on the screen by now. Skip to whatever time. Or if you want to keep watching and see how the Easter Blitz pack goes, maybe I can pull something else. But I'm seeing only a bunch of chocolate bunnies. But that's good because we'll have a bunch of those at the end. I can't wait to open up the other Easter pack. Just Easter pack. Because we got a 93 overall out of that. That was awesome. So let's hope for another one of those. Or 97 overall, 95, whatever it is. Whatever it is, I'm fine with it. So as you can see, the pack art gets different, I think you call it. Pack art, whatever you want to call it. Because right here, see the top 5 Easter Blitz packs. Bottom 5 are also Easter Blitz packs. But the thing is, the one event was called Hop Blitz, I think it was called. And this was just Easter Blitz. The top 5 was Easter Blitz. Bottom 5 was Hop Blitz. So the card art is different. Or pack art. So maybe we can pull something different out of one. Not sure, but we'll see. It's only available for an hour, I think it was. I'm not sure. But we'll go check it out. We have a few of those. But it's still called an Easter Blitz pack. So we might still get the same things out of it. So here we go, our first one. And still some more chocolate bunnies. Got 5 here. So we got a gold egg out of that. And 250 coins. So we'll continue opening up the rest. And actually guys, I do have 46 Easter Blitz packs, just to make the number more convenient. I said 45. Like 46 Easter Blitz pack opening. I'd rather have 45. So this is actually our 46th one. We'll see 2 chocolate bunnies. There we go. So open up 3 Easter egg pack, and at the end for our last pack, we'll open up the Easter pack. So gold eggs. Let's quickly open up those. Easter packs here still able to get a Crystal Legend player. So we hope for that, but we're not getting it. So Easter pack, last pack. Let's see how we do. And we got an elite player, but it wasn't an elite Easter player. So we pulled 2 elite players. That's pretty good. And we got him, which we can put in the set for another elite player. And we're gonna go see how many gold players we can get to try to get an elite Easter player. Right there was a good gold pack. We got a, as you saw, gold Easter player. Like I said, my next video will be doing these live events for all these what's it called, draft stuff. And right here it actually is called Draft Blitz. So this one you get earn a 2017 NFL draft item. So that has nothing to do with the Easter at all. if you thought it did, because it had the name Blitz in it. So now let's go here and see what we can get. So we had 137, now we have 117, now 97. I guess the rest of our chocolate bunnies, we'll put them in for, I guess we'll do eggs. So here we go, Elite Easter player, 93 to 97 overall. Bam, 93 overall. So we'll update team. And guys, I'll also do another video, probably really soon, on opening up this. My second search for the crystal egg. So I tried searching once, only got gold eggs. I'll do a video probably really soon on trying to get trying to get a crystal egg with one of the elite Easter players I pulled. So now I guess we'll just put some chocolate bunnies in for this. See what we get. All gold. And we'll do the other egg thing, because it has a cooldown and everything. So yeah, we'll do this just to gold egg. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I know I did. That's a huge pack opening, guys. Bunch of pack openings there. As you can tell, we got some good players and everything. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Let's try to hit 15 likes on this video. That's not too much. Let's just smash that thumbs up button and try to hit 15 likes. And I'm still trying to go for that 100 subscriber goal. So, if you guys try to help do that, that'd be awesome. That's it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.